Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to bulk update employees' information in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. As organizations grow, managing employee data across multiple accounts can become time-consuming and inefficient. Updating each employee's information individually in the Google Admin Console can slow down administrative workflows and increase the chance of errors. Also, manually updating each account one by one is not only tedious but also impractical. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. With the bulk update feature in xFanatical Foresight, IT admins can quickly and accurately update employee details in Google Workspace, streamlining administrative tasks and improving overall efficiency. Let's dive in and see how it works. To set up this automation, the admin first needs to extract a list of users from Google Workspace. Once the list is obtained, it can be uploaded to the automation rule, allowing for efficient bulk updating of user information across the organization. The template is designed with two rules to simplify and streamline the bulk updating of employee information. Rule 1. This rule generates a CSV file with a list of users, including essential details such as email, first name, last name, employee ID, job title, and other relevant information. Admins can easily filter the data, keeping only the necessary rows and removing any unnecessary entries to refine the list. Rule 2. This rule utilizes the edited CSV file from Rule 1 to bulk update employee information, ensuring a fast and efficient process for making multiple updates at once. Rule 1. Export users' current employee information. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Bulk Update Employees Information in Google Workspace and click on it. In the Bulk Update Employees Information in Google Workspace page, click Copy Rule 1. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Export Users' Current Employee Information will display. Click Next. In the List Users screen, click Review. In Rule Name, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Rule 2. Bulk Update Employees Information. Click Copy Rule 2. Click Next. No configurations required. In the Update Employee Information screen, click Review. In Rule Name, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions demonstrate how the xFanatical Foresight automates the bulk update of Google Workspace employee information. Go to the Rules page. First, click the Play button of Export Users' Current Employee Information rule to generate a CSV file containing the latest details of all users. Wait until you receive a notification in the top right of xFanatical Foresight. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, download the CSV file from the Rule History section. Go back to the Rules page. Edit the CSV file downloaded from the Export Users' Current Employee Information rule according to the user information that needs to be updated. Click on the Upload icon and upload the downloaded CSV file to the Bulk Update Employees Information in Google Workspace rule. Wait for the CSV file to be processed and receive a notification in the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.